Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access the calendar on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Apps tab. You can do that by pressing on the Apps button on the left. And here we're going to find the calendar memo button. So it's right here. And once you press on it, it'll take you to the calendar. Let me just back out of that. And here, as you can see, this is the calendar. You have today's notes, which I just pressed. And this is basically displays the notes that you have done on that day. So I did this little drawing. But on other days, it will show you different other notes that you have taken. You can also create a memo down here for each day. So once you access once you come back to the calendar, this will be right here and you'll know what you've written down. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.